In today's diverse and distributed IT environment, restoring an organization's applications and data quickly in the event of a ransomware attack is a significant challenge. Reliable backup and recovery is a crucial line of defense against ransomware. Ransomware has become one of the biggest security threats an organization can face. Not only are the number of ransomware attacks becoming more prevalent, the ransom being demanded is doubling year over year. But new strains of ransomware and other malware threats are on the rise, using advanced social engineering techniques to penetrate IT defenses. With more employees transitioning to working remotely, the risks and exposure to ransomware are higher than they have ever been. There are several data protection solutions in the market to help address backup and recovery, but on-premises solutions are not immune to ransomware and cannot prevent malware from propagating. Existing point solutions for backup are dependent on on-prem hardware and software, which require IT teams to be on top of continuous security patching and upgrades. Businesses need a solution that provides a comprehensive approach to protecting against ransomware attacks while helping organizations recover with speed and agility when an event occurs. Druva empowers security operations with an enhanced information security posture that enables swift recovery from a ransomware attack, minimizing downtime, and eliminating the risk of further spreading ransomware. Our cost-effective multi-layered defense approach and security response incorporate both prevention measures to keep threats out and strong resilience to minimize downtime when an attack happens. Druva has a cloud-native zero-trust architecture that incorporates security features such as multi-factor authentication, role-based administration, and strong encryption for data in flight and at rest. Druva offers situational awareness across the backup environment, creating visibility into the user's data access behavior to uncover data anomalies and suspicious activities, identifying potential threats in real time. An effective backup and recovery strategy can prevent 90% of ransomware attacks, as per a recent Gartner report. Druva provides 5 critical steps to help the security ops team minimize the impact and protect against ransomware attacks. Start by identifying business-critical data assets and make sure they're backed up at appropriate frequency and set policies. Protect the backup environment to ensure you have an immutable copy of your data. Unlike on-premises backup solutions, Druva is isolated from the customer environment, providing an air-gap backup that prevents ransomware threats from attacking your backup data. Detect threats early via automated monitoring of unusual data activity with proactive notifications to enable fast response to malicious activities and unauthorized data access. Respond quickly to threats to halt the spread of ransomware. Druva's proprietary entropy-based machine learning algorithms help you identify clean snapshots for recovery. And last, recover data quickly. Druva offers flexible recovery options that allow for individual machine recovery or bulk recovery from clean snapshots, disaster recovery of VMs into virtual private clouds, as well as bulk data exports for recovering via alternate options like network shares, shipped hard drives, or AWS Snowball Edge. Let Druva help your business build a robust ransomware defense for a future-proof business resiliency strategy. Try out Druva today to get started.